The last 10 episodes, 'di ba, konting recap lang. Salamat sa subaybay, sa pag-follow sa channel namin and, yun sana, siyempre mas dumami pa kayo diyan and,
Mm.
we promise to ano, to improve and deliver, like, more, quality contents na sana maka-relate kayo and of course sana maging, eye-opener din and you find it, interesting.
And
So
informative.
and
Oo.
informative. So yeah, and of course, gano'n pa rin format. I mean, parang kwentuhan lang tayo dito, 'di ba? We're not trying to be too formal. Kahit na may guest, 'di ba? Next
Oo.
year,
Tamang kwentuhan lang tayo dito, oo.
Ano yung bold
ah,
bold prediction natin para sa podcast natin siyempre, dapat meron 'yan.
Oh,
kasi 10
Ako
episodes tayo eh sa
oo,
from October, 'di ba? So
oo.
siguro ano, mas madami pang uploads, hundreds, millions and millions.
millions and millions.
Ako ano,
Yun,
magkaroon na ng engagement ang ating podcast. So, I
Oo.
definitely look forward to that.
Mm.
And siyempre ang balak naman naming tatlo is magkaroon ng opportunity na mai-share yung mga knowledges namin and kapulutan ng aral itong ano, podcast.
Oo. So yun, sa'kin,
yun.
Merry Christmas to everyone, first and
Ayun,
foremost, and Happy New Year na rin kasi hindi naman tayo magkikita-kita ng New Year dahil last episode natin 'to for the year. And hopefully next year, yun sabi ni Tom, bold prediction, hindi na ako magbibigay siguro ng specific number but, pakiramdam ko mas maggo-grow pa yung channel natin next
oo
year.
naman.
Of course, patapos na rin naman yung holiday season so mas matututukan natin yung podcast and mas makakaisip pa naman tayo ng marami pang contents and magkakaroon tayo ng guest din. So,
Mm,
there's a lot of things to look forward to sa podcast. Yan. As long as we're doing
Yan.
what we want, but whatever makes us happy, and engaged and interested sa ginagawa natin, we're going to do better.
Yan.
yes.
So, yeah,
Yes.
we have to wrap it up, guys. So, yun, sa ngalan ni Jose Rizal, ni JWST at ng mga bold predictions namin for 2025. So, this is the Advolts Podcast. So,
Yan.
you have a great time.
See you on the next episode. Sabi nga nila.
See
Yeah.
you.